Welcome to the screencast of Communote. Communote is a communication solution for project and team-oriented companies. With Communote, you can easily share status messages, follow topics, network with coworkers, and communicate securely. First, an overview. After successfully logging in, we see the user interface. On the upper border, we see the menu bar. Below this, we find the text field with the Topic Choose menu and the menu for attachments, tags, user, and topics. Beneath the text field is the timeline. On the upper border, we can select the view with the tabs. The timeline displays all notes in a chronological order. In the right column, you can find the search function as well as the top 5 topics, which lists the 5 most active topics we are interacting with, and the tag cloud, which lists the most used tags. Beneath the tag cloud, we find the authors and the content and the option to set a time period. These functions serve to filter the timeline. In the menu bar, you see Topics, People, My Profile, and Service. Under My Profile, we find an overview over all notes we have written. We also have the chance to edit our profile. We can maintain our user data, upload a user picture, and configure the notification settings. With topics, we reach the topic overview. This overview displays all available topics. We can follow a topic with just one click on the Follow button. We can also filter the view by special tags. Or we can get an overview over the topics we follow or topics we manage. With People, we reach the People overview. In the People overview, we can see all available users. We can also follow somebody by clicking on the Follow button. Under the Service menu, we find information on how to get support, on reaching the download area, and the documentation. Now I will show you how to write a note in Communote. At first, we have to choose the topic where the note should be published. By default, the public topic is chosen. After selecting the correct topic, we can write the note. To notify a person, set an @ before the name or type his or her name in the user field. To publish a note as a private note, set a lowercase d before @. Now only the addressee can see the note. To add a tag in the note, set a hash before the word you would like to use as a tag, or type the word in the tag field. To attach files, we have to use the attachment menu. Pictures and YouTube or Vimeo videos will be displayed directly in the note. When we are finished with writing the note, we click the Send button. Now we see our note in the timeline. The author can edit or delete his or her note. We also have the chance to reply to notes, to like, and to favor a note. To reply to a note, we click on Reply. The author receives a notification automatically. In the reply, we have the option to add tags, notify people, and attach files. All replies to a note are displayed in chronological order. We also have the option to like or mark a note. To find a note, we have the option to filter the timelines by full text, tags, authors, and content. For instance, video, documentation, pictures, and link. To cancel a filter, we just have to click on the word. Now I would like to show you how to follow a tag. To follow a tag, we have to click in the note on the tag which we want to follow. Now we have reached the tag view. Here we can see all notes which are using the tag. With a click on the Follow button, we easily follow the tag. Under the tab Following, you can see all notes you are following, including author or tag. Now I will show you how to create a topic. First, we have to get to the topic overview. Now we click on the plus in the Topic Choose menu. First, we have to define the details, also the name and the alias of the topic. The alias is used for an email address of the topic. We can send an email to this address and the message is published in Communote. Among the details, we can define a description for the topic and we can add tags. After this, we can click Create Topic. Now we can see the overview to manage the access rights. Here we can configure which rights an author has. We also have the option to invite users to the topic, for instance, external user. Finally, I would like to show you 3 applications. With these applications, the usage of Communote will be more comfortable. With the Communote desktop client, you stay informed about new Communote messages. The desktop client is used on Adobe Air and thus ready for cross-platform use. You can find further information in the video Communote Desktop Client. Sharing was never easier. With the Communote bookmarklet, you could easily share information and news from the web with your clients. Headline, link, and the highlighted text is sent directly into Communote. Further information can be found in the video Communote bookmarklet. With the Communote iPhone and Android app, you have mobile access to your Communote topics and project status updates. With the app, you can share and retrieve information at any time and any place. You can find further information in the video Communote app. Thank you for your interest in Communote, and we look forward to your feedback.